In today's video, I am going to teach you how to transpose data in Excel. Transposing data in Excel means changing the orientation of your data. In simple terms, it turns rows into columns, or columns into rows. This is very useful when your data is organized correctly, but the layout does not fit the way you want to read it, present it, or work with it in a spreadsheet. To begin, go to the range of source data that you want to transpose. Make sure you select the entire range carefully, including all of the cells you want to move into the new layout. Once the correct data is selected, copy it by pressing Ctrl and C on your keyboard. This places the selected range onto your clipboard and prepares it to be pasted in a different format. Next, move to the empty target cell where you want the transposed data to begin. It is important to choose an empty area of the worksheet so the pasted data does not overlap with any existing content. The cell you click here will become the top left starting point of the new transposed layout. If your original data was arranged vertically, the transposed version will spread out horizontally. If it was arranged horizontally, it will be placed vertically instead. Now, right-click that empty target cell. This will open the context menu with several paste options. Under Paste Options, look for the Transpose icon. This icon usually appears as a clipboard with two small rectangles changing orientation. Click that Transpose option, and Excel will immediately paste your copied data in the new arrangement. At that point, your data will be displayed with the row and column positions switched. This is a quick and efficient way to reorganize information without typing it all over again by hand. It can save time and help make your worksheet easier to understand. As a helpful tip, always take a quick look at the result after pasting to confirm that everything appears in the correct position. If the output is not what you expected, you can simply undo the action and try again in a different empty location. That covers everything you need to know.